Hi, welcome back to the channel. So yesterday the next merit list of CAP IMs were out, which means that the next merit list of IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya and IIM Sirmaur. And after so much hard work and after literally being waitlisted at every other college that I have interviewed, I have finally converted a college or an IIM. So I have converted IIM Bodh Gaya. I know I am literally like very happy for it, and I know it's a baby IIM and there are a lot of risk joining it, but still I have literally worked very hard for this. I know, and you also know if you have followed me like from the start where I used to make videos about mocks and my CAT journey. So it's been a long journey and it's not like blacky or something, but a convert is a convert and an IIM is an IIM. So I am very happy that I have converted IIM Bodh Gaya. Talking about other IIM, which is IIM Jammu and IIM Sirmaur. So if you have not seen my previous video, my CS for IIM Sirmaur is around 33. And I will convert IIM Sirmaur, I know, but I will convert it like in the last list, like maybe around June or mid-June something. But even if I convert, I will not go to IIM Sirmaur because I have converted Bodh Gaya. So I will prefer Bodh Gaya over Sirmaur. And talking about Jammu, I feel like I will convert it in the next list, which will be out on 27th of May. So the CS जिसमें अभी last लोगों का convert हुआ है is around I think it is around 72 or 72. I believe it is 72 in which the people have converted at the last list of IIM Jammu. And जो next list आएगा 27th में उसमें I think 69 तक जाएगा. And my CS for Jammu is 70. So I believe I will convert Jammu also in the next list, but hoping for the best. But at least मेरे पास वो एक safe net है. मेरे पास एक भी convert नहीं था and कुछ भी नहीं था कि मैं क्या करूँगी. But now since I have converted a college, I am relieved कि कुछ तो है. And yeah, I am hoping that I will convert Jammu. Also between Jammu and Bodh Gaya, I am still very confused like which one should I prefer. And if you have any idea about the college curriculum or the placement, then please let me know which one should I go for, either Jammu or Bodh Gaya, since I don't have any other converts right now and not a single bone in my body wants to repeat the whole CAT process and go through all of this again. So I will go for either of them, and I'm still inclined towards Jammu because I have heard like almost everywhere that Jammu is better than Bodh Gaya. But a friend of mine in Bodh Gaya told me that Bodh Gaya is better than Jammu, so I am still skeptical about it. Then please let me know which one should I go for. So about IIM Udaipur, I am waitlisted at IIM Udaipur at 485, and I know it's very hard to convert, but I'm just hoping for a miracle कि कुछ हो जाए और 600 500 तक move हो जाए and मेरा convert हो जाए उदयपुर. But it's very hard, and the thing is कि दे आर नॉट रिलीजिंग द नेक्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट. अभी तक एक लिस्ट भी लाइक वेट लिस्ट रिलीज नहीं हुआ है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. एंड आई सॉ इन देयर टेलीग्राम ग्रुप कि पिछले साल अराउंड 15 जून समथिंग के नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट वेट लिस्ट आया था. एंड आई डोंट नो ये लोग इतना लेट क्यों कर रहे हैं, बट इट इज व्हाट इट इज एंड वी कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. But yeah, let me know if you have converted any of the IIMs or the CAP IIMs, or if you are going to join either IIM Bodh Gaya or Jammu. So please let me know. And yeah, that's it for the video. I have finally converted a college, and thank you for being with me throughout the process. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye bye.